Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. And today it's Sunday, so we're going to do another shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet the face. Can you believe it? It's Sunday already. And I do have a little confession to make. I've been using the glycerin soap, but I also use the PAA cube. And the last, I think it was the peppermint video, I had thought that I felt a little bit of, menthol kicking in. And so my confession is they might have been making some love. Anyway, on my dry dock, I always set the evil cube on there. And I'm thinking they were crossbreeding a little bit. Anyway, let's go ahead and get the glycerin soap on as a pre-shave. The evil cube does have quite a bit of menthol in there. And so if I'm using a new soap, I don't use that or the mentholated pre-shaves, just for the fact I want to see what the soap is going to do, and not so much the menthol. I don't want the menthol to interfere with the soap. I'm going to rinse my hands off real quick. I'll be right back. So today's razor is going to be what I showed in the unboxing video, which is the Razor Emporium Rex Ambassador. And the one thing that I do like about this compared to a couple of the other adjustable razors is once you loosen that bottom knob up, it doesn't fall out into the sink. So I do like that. And I'm going to be putting in a Astra green blade, first use here. Let's see which way do I want to put the glue tabs. I'm going to put them down. Down. And I'm going to be shaving with setting 3, which I already have that adjusted to 3. And today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and it is Planet 369. Now, I didn't get the older version of the Red Planet, so I can't really say how they compare, if they're the same. I would venture to say they're similar, but there may be a tweak, not to mention the new label there. Man, I do enjoy this smell. Doug has a way with scents, and so I haven't really ran across any that I haven't liked. But if you want to take a look at the soap there, I'm getting sandalwood, frankincense, probably that myrrh, and maybe a hint of amber. But I will put a scent profile up here to let you guys know, because I'm still developing my nose. I do have the soap already lathered up here, and that is the CK1 formula. And I thought I would put a little extra water in here. And on this one, I did use 10 milliliters of water. And I'm using the Lancaster ceramic bowl. And let's go ahead and apply the lather here. Oh yeah, I've got 2 days worth of growth here. Nice and creamy. This brush is the Omega synthetic that is supposed to replicate a boar brush, but I do feel like this brush is quite a bit softer. It is a 24 millimeter knot, and it has the wooden handle. It kind of reminds me of the Evo handle, and I missed out on that. I tried to get one of those brushes and then they vanished, and I haven't located one. I was kind of curious how the Evo compared. All right, we've got the blade ready to go. Let's warm up the razor, and we'll go with pass one. The blade is doing its job, cutting through the stubble. So far, so good. Razor's feeling nice. I do love the way that this knurling just sticks right to your fingers. There's definitely no chance of slippage there. Did you guys have a good weekend? Thankfully, I do not have to work tomorrow. So everybody that's getting to enjoy Labor Day, I'll be right there with you this weekend. We did get a little bit of extra rain there on Saturday. The weather seemed to have cooled down a little bit, which is nice. Kind of feel like fall is upon us. That heat will sneak right back in before you know it. So far, this razor is not bringing back any bad memories. Maybe my technique has improved. I did run this razor, the first version that I had of it, through all the different blades that I had, trying to figure out which one was the right blade, and I had troubles with it. It seemed like in the neck area I had a little bit more blade feel, or I don't know, it just seemed to be not really be tuggy, but it just kind of felt like it was kind of scraping more than anything. But like I said, it could have been technique. It could have just been that my neck was already irritated from other shaves. It's hard to say. On a adjustable razor, I always start out whenever I'm testing out a new one or revisiting. I always try to go in the middle. So on this particular razor, 1 through 6, that's why I kind of picked 3. The attractive thing about an adjustable razor is there should be a setting in there that makes everyone happy. So if you've ever purchased a razor in the past and you had these expectations of how great it was going to be, and then you get it and it didn't work out for whatever reason, you're kind of like, not so, you don't have that good feeling, you know. With this, it's kind of like 7 razors in one, so hopefully you can find a setting you like. And I felt like I noticed on this one, settings 5 and above, you know, seem to have that issue, and that's kind of why I was staying on the lower end of the scale this go round. So let's talk a little bit about the soap. Have you guys tried this soap? Have you got it? It's one of those that was just released. Was it last week or the week before? Man, time just goes by. But I was excited to get this one and put my nose on it and see what it was like. And I do enjoy the smell. It reminds me of a scent that I've smelled before, and I just can't place it. It's a pleasant smell. I need to have my wife, what I need to do before my shave videos is have her take a little whiff of each one, and then maybe that'll help you guys out. I know there's some scents that I enjoy and she does not, and so on those particular scents, I usually will wear those on a day that she's working. Sometimes I'm just like, hey, I'm in the mood for that one, so I'm just gonna get that one no matter what. In a bowl here, off camera, I have some cold water. I'm gonna do a little rinse here. What do you guys do with the scents that you enjoy, but Mama does not? Do you keep them or get rid of them? What do you do? Or do you just say, I'm wearing it? You know what happens when you wear it and she doesn't approve. So last time I was shaving, I forgot my ice. How can I do that? So a little while back, had a comment by Mike T. And he said, you know what, Matthew? I like to use the ice, but instead of putting it in a cube form, he said, I just take a bathroom cup, one of those little Dixie cups, put it in there, and peel off that paper as you go along. Well, here you go, Mike. I'm giving it a try. Works pretty nice. Thank you for that tip, suggestion, or comment. Oh, yeah. And I do have the matching splash. What do you guys think about those restrictors? Do you like it? Do you dislike it? It works nice for me. It's a little slower. I can't really complain about it. Nice. And I think I will just go with the normal star jelly. So the razor and blade did well. Didn't give me any kind of feelings there on my neck as I had in the past. So that's one good thing. Do you guys have the Rex Ambassador? I do not have the Envoy, but I have heard people say that it's similar to the Ambassador, but it's on a different setting. I'm going to rinse my hands off here real quick. You know, when I'm rinsing my hands off, I always think, man, I should show the guys the lather, and I forget about it. So let me show you the lather. I don't know what you guys think about CK1 versus CK6, but let's just take a look here and see what we got. I like both of them, no problem, but look at the lather on it. Oh yeah, it's nice. Now guess what? I gotta rinse my hands again. All right, so there we go. Today we use the Omega synthetic 24mm knot. This is what it looks like. I kind of thought you might enjoy taking a look at that. And we did use the Red Planet 369 shave soap by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements and the Rex Ambassador on setting 3 with the Astra blade. Please leave any comments below. You can leave negative ones if you like, or positive ones. If you've made it this far and you would like to see some more content, I suggest subscribing now if you would. If you don't, well, I hope to see you back on Will It Shave Wednesday. I will put a picture right here of all the stuff I used today, and you guys have a good rest of your weekend.